Are you experiencing issues choosing Windows version or edition during installation? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. While installing Windows OS through an installation media, we have the option to select the Windows version or edition such as Windows Pro, Windows Home, etc. However, some users can't choose the Windows version or edition during installation. If you experience such an issue while installing Windows OS, the solutions provided in this video should help you. Let's get started. Why I can't choose the Windows version or edition during installation? In modern computers, the Windows license is embedded directly into the motherboard. Usually, this license is for the Home edition. If you need to use Windows 11 or 10 Pro, purchase its license key from Microsoft Store. After that, you can upgrade Windows Home edition to Windows Pro edition by changing its product key. When you perform a clean installation of Windows, Windows picks up this license from the motherboard. That's why the screen to enter the license key and select the Windows edition does not appear while installing Windows. Method: create a fresh bootable USB flash drive with Windows ISO. First, download the Windows 11 or 10 ISO file from the Microsoft's official website. Alternatively, you can also follow this link and use the media creation tool to download the Windows ISO file. After that, create a bootable USB flash drive with the Windows ISO file by using a third-party tool called Rufus. Now open Notepad and write this text into it. Paste this code as it is into the notepad and then save the file. Go to File, then select Save As or press the Ctrl+S keys. Give the name ei.cfg to the file and select all files in the drop-down. Do not remove the quotation marks in the file name. Now connect the bootable USB flash drive to your computer and open the Sources folder of the installation media. Paste the copied file there. If you want to install Windows 11 or 10 Home Edition but cannot select it during installation, use this code in Notepad. Alternatively, you can also change your product key from the Windows Home to Professional after installing Windows. Here is how to do so. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then select Activation. Expand the Upgrade Your Edition of Windows tab. Click on the Change button next to the Change Product Key option. Now, enter the Windows product key and select the next option. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.